Hello everyone, Tahnee here from Penticton Toyota. We are located in the South Okanagan of beautiful British Columbia, which has been the most amazing place to test the bZ4X with a wide range of weather conditions and terrain. The bZ4X is Toyota's first ever fully electric vehicle, and today I'm here to talk to you a little bit about that. The bZ in bZ4X is Toyota's commitment to not only reduce our carbon footprint, but go beyond that and create a net positive impact by 2050. Now, if you've ever owned a Toyota before, or you know Toyota at all, you know that they're known for reliability, longevity, and durability. And they absolutely did not compromise on those values when designing and manufacturing the bZ4X. Toyota has targeted a battery capacity retention of up to 90% after 10 years of ownership. That is absolutely incredible. One of the most common questions we get about the bZ4X is going to be about charging times and about range. Well, Toyota has very intentionally developed this vehicle with a finely engineered balance to give you the longest range possible with the quickest charge possible without compromising on the battery's health. We want this vehicle to be in the best possible health and keep you happy for years to come. Another common question we get is, how easy is it to find a charging station, and does my life and lifestyle need to change at all when I do purchase an electric vehicle? Well, the great thing is that the infrastructure is growing to support the ever-growing demand for electric vehicles. And to support that, we have a selection of apps like Toyota Canada's app. You have connected services in your vehicle. They're going to give you an idea of where the charging stations are, whether or not they're being used, what kind of level charger it is. So, like I said, the infrastructure is changing and growing to support that demand, and the ease of access really is there. The other great thing about the bZ4X is that it is an SUV, so you're not compromising on size to get an electric vehicle. On top of that, it comes with 3 different trim levels, which means that there is something for everybody. From technological advances that, of course, Toyota offers, and their top-of-the-line safety features, this is the perfect vehicle to get into. Honestly, the best part of this vehicle is the drive. It's smooth, it's powerful, and on the front-wheel drive models, you have up to 406 kilometers of range, which is honestly absolutely incredible. I love driving this vehicle, and I'm sure that you will too. So if this speaks to you at all, or you have any more questions about it, please give me a shout. I'd love the opportunity to answer those questions, take you out for a test drive, and see if one of these vehicles is going to suit your needs. I am really excited about the advancements in technology, and Toyota is as well. And we're excited to embrace the opportunity, and we're excited to share all of the information with you that we can. So give me a shout here at Penticton Toyota. We have on-ground available units to drive, and I'm super stoked about it. Yo, it's me, Tahnee. Today we're talking about the bZ. So much range, it's insane. Did you get that?